Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Discord voice not connecting on PC. Many users can join servers, but voice channels keep saying connecting or no route, and it usually comes from network or audio settings issues. First, check your internet connection. Voice chat needs a stable and low latency connection. Weak Wi-Fi can stop voice from connecting. Step 1, restart Discord. Fully close the app from system tray and reopen it. This clears temporary voice glitches. Step 2, restart your router or modem. This refreshes your network route. Many voice connection issues are fixed this way. Step 3, disable VPN or proxy. Discord voice often fails when VPN is enabled. Turn it off and reconnect. Step 4, check Discord voice region. Go to voice and video settings and select automatic region. Wrong region can cause connection failure. Step 5, check firewall and antivirus. Security software may block Discord voice traffic, allow Discord through firewall, or temporarily disable antivirus to test. Step 6, reset voice settings. In Discord settings, click Reset Voice Settings. This fixes misconfigured audio options. Step 7, clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache files can break voice connection. Delete cache from app data greater than Discord and restart. Finally, check Discord server status. Voice outages can happen. Visit status.discord.com to confirm. So yeah, fixing Discord voice not connecting on PC is about stable internet, restarting app and router, disabling VPN, setting correct voice region, checking firewall, resetting voice settings, clearing cache, and checking server status. Follow these steps and voice chat should connect normally. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.